Hello guys, my name is Pravyadu and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you the one website where we can submit images, infographic or PDF on that website. So the website name is techsmithscreencast.com. Okay, so I can show you the website authority and the spam score. So you guys can see the domain authority is 82 and the spam score is 9%. So it's quite high but considerable. Okay, and you guys can see how much traffic this website having. So according to SimilarWeb, the 312.5k total visitors and the mostly traffic from USA, Philippines, India, Canada and the UK. And according to HRF, domain rating is 85. So this is a website dashboard, how you guys can create your profile on that website. So I can provide this website URL over the description section and you guys can see there is a create an account button. You guys have to click over there and you guys can add your email id, then you guys can add your password, then you guys are able to explore this website profile. Okay, the profile creation process is very simple, so that's why I'm going to skip these things. So I have already created profile on that website, so you guys can see after the profile creation this is a dashboard of this website. Okay, so you guys can see there is top of the right corner, you guys have to click over there and then you guys can click my account button, then you guys can redirect on that interface. Okay, then you guys can click setting button, there is a edit profile button. Okay, so there you guys can add your first name, last name, your display name and your phone number. Okay, only these things you guys are able to do on that website. Okay, so the profile if you guys have completed your profile creation, so you guys can see, you guys can found that kind of interface and there is a upload button. You guys have to click over there and you guys can browse your images, infographic or PDF from your desktop. Then you guys can click for the add and you guys have to wait a couple of seconds and you guys are able to see this is your, we have recently published, added our image on that website. So we can click and you guys can see this is our image. Okay, so if you guys can want to modify your image title, so there is a button, you guys have to add your image title and also you guys can add your image description. Okay, so suppose that I have recently published this article, so we have, so this is the article, so I can going to copy the description from my article, so it should be going to save my time, but for your cases you guys have to generate a fresh description for your image submission or any activity. Then you guys have to click for the save button and also we can try to add our blog URL. Will let's see the image URL is appear on that or not. So you guys can see that our URL is appearing. Okay, so let me check in an incognito tab this URL is working in incognito or not. So let me try. So you guys can see it's 100% approved backlink and we'll check our backlink is in do follow or no follow backlink. So let me check. So you guys can see it's 100% no follow backlink, but the thing is we have mentioned our blog title and the description and also we are trying to publish our images on that website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till and so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of services, project or suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing. If you guys are new on my channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you can understand. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.